Hi, I'm Sofia, and now we are going to learn how to correctly use some of the adverbs: quite, rather, fairly, pretty, and very. We can divide three of them from other words depending on their meaning.
This category contains words that are used in positive comments. For example, he is quite a kind person. Her opinion is a fairly veridical. As you can see, there is a difference between usages of these words. We use quite before an or a. In the field of films, he was quite erudite. We were quite optimistic during the Olympiad. They are quite a close-knit team. Remember that quite is also used with the meaning completely. I am quite sure we will pass the exam. Fairly and pretty are used after a. We were fairly optimistic during the Olympiad. In the field of films, he was a pretty erudite. They are a fairly close-knit team.
Rather is usually used in the tenses with negative meaning. For example, sweet child of mine, you're rather exhausted today. Want some tea? We can also use rather when something was better than we expected. That mutilated kitten grew up rather beautiful. The last function of rather is the comparative meaning. Her weight was rather more than mine. Their house is rather more spacious than ours. Don't forget that rather also can be used after or before an a or an. We made a rather useless project. We made rather an useless project.
Very is used to emphasize superlatives. We use it with the adjectives or adverbs of positive degree. For example, she is very kind to homeless cats. I was very disturbing when I was a kid. To better understand how to correctly use all of the adverbs, do these exercises. Pause the video before you start.